Hello everyone, today we have a very special Benelli with us, which has been creating quite a stir in the retro classic segment with its refinement levels, riding pleasure and build quality. So with the launch of the recent BS6 version, we thought of bringing you a quick first look video in an effort to help you understand it better. Inspired by the Benelli Moto B range introduced in the 1956, the Imperiale 400 resonates with the pure emotion of riding. So it is no hidden fact that the Imperiale is designed to evoke the nostalgia of old school riding. The Imperiale 400 is offered in three colors: red, silver and black. And here are some key elements that really make it stand out of the competition. So let's look at them. To start with, you have the classic round headlamp up front, offering impressive brightness at night, with height adjustability for effective spread. There is this twin-pod semi-digital instrument console showcasing a speedometer on the left with readings in kilometers and miles. The left pod also displays time, odometer and 2 trip meters. The tachometer is placed on the right with telltale lights that include engine check, battery status, neutral, turn indicators, ABS status and high beam. There is also a neatly designed LCD display in the center. To enhance the Imperiale's retro appeal, Benelli has added some chrome elements to break down the overall black theme. The same balance of black and chrome can be seen around the engine as well, where the exhaust pipe is finished in black and accentuated by the satin chrome heat plates to gel with the engine's color. The slim yet elegant looking fuel tank has been kept simplistic with a fuel capacity of 12 liters. To grip the tank better, rubber padding is provided on both sides of the tank, which neatly blends into the overall design. Speaking of riding posture, it is very neutral with an easy reach to the handlebars, making it perfect for all-day riding. You also get flat, split seats with added spring for rider comfort and a grab rail for the pillion. So as you can see, the Imperiale 400 remains true to its retro classic appeal and clearly sets a benchmark when it comes to fit finish levels and build quality. And this can also be seen from the well-functioning switchgear, the reach adjustable front brake lever, the paint quality and the attention to detail. The Imperiale 400 comes powered by an SOHC fuel injected 374cc single cylinder air-cooled engine that comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox that shifts in a 1 down, 4 up order. The motor delivers 21 PS of refined power at 6000 rpm and 29 Nm of peak torque at 3500 rpm in a clean, vibe-free manner. And this is mainly owing to the counterbalancer shaft, which clearly eliminates the vibrations of the engine for a smooth power delivery. Moving on to the chassis and suspension. The Benelli Imperiale 400 has been built around a steel double cradle frame, offering a significant advantage for engine support when compared to a single down tube chassis. The front is suspended over 41 mm telescopic forks, which has been tuned to tackle even the worst of what Indian roads have to offer. The rear gets twin shock absorbers that are set up slightly on the stiffer side to tackle bad road conditions with 2 up. If you are solo riding, all you need to do is adjust the rear suspension as it comes with 5 preload adjustable settings. For braking duties, the Imperiale 400 gets a 300mm disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear, with dual channel ABS as standard. As far as wheels are concerned, the Imperiale comes with spoked steel rims, wherein the front gets 19 inches to easily maneuver through challenging situations, while the rear gets 18 inches that are shod with 100 section and 130 section tubed tires respectively. That aside, the 205 kg curb weight means the Imperiale 400 offers immense high-speed stability on the highways, and the perfect weight distribution translates into a nimble feeling machine the moment you start riding it. Let's take a look at dimensions now. As you can see from the numbers displayed here, the Imperiale 400 stands out of its class, even in terms of its road presence. This size also gives the Imperiale a segment-leading wheelbase of 1440 mm, which also adds to the stability of the motorcycle. Plus, the 780 mm seat height makes it accessible for almost every rider. That's not all. With a ground clearance of 165 mm, the Imperiale 400 can tackle almost every pothole and speed breaker thrown at it. So the Imperiale 400 comes with a host of service benefits. This includes best-in-class 3-year unlimited kilometer warranty, 2 years of complimentary service, which includes 5 services, a 3rd-year annual maintenance contract, which is an added benefit over the 2-year complimentary service, and a 24/7 roadside assistance. So, to summarize it all, the spiritual successor of the Benelli Moto B range is sure to sweep you off your feet. All you need to do is head over to the nearest Benelli dealership and take a test ride of this eternal beauty.